This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening the right settings. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and updated, then go to Settings and tap Messages. Once there, look for Send and Receive and Message Forwarding to see where SMS are routed. You want to decide quickly whether to stop all SMS, mute individual threads, or block numbers. Once decided, keep settings open and follow the next steps to disable or reroute messages depending on your choice. This reduces interruptions immediately. Now you'll take the core actions to stop messages. If you want no messages at all, toggle off iMessage and SMS in Settings Right Arrow Messages. This prevents sending and receiving. If you prefer selective silence, open Messages, swipe left on a thread, tap More and choose Hide Alerts to mute notifications for that conversation. To permanently stop a specific sender, open the conversation, tap the top banner, choose Info, then block this caller. Make sure to confirm blocks and test by asking a friend to send a message. Finish by ensuring your changes take effect and knowing how to fix issues. Restart the iPhone after making settings changes so the system applies them. If SMS still arrive, check carrier settings or contact your carrier to disable SMS forwarding at the network level. If messages appear on other devices, sign out of Messages in iCloud or disable text message forwarding under Settings Right Arrow Messages, Right Arrow Text Message Forwarding on your other device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.